Hello YouTube, welcome to Tech with Alan. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to run a system file check on your computer. And basically, if your computer is having issues, if you think it's going slow, if it's acting weird, this is one of the first things you want to try to see if there's any corruption in the file system. So basically, this is really simple. What you do is you go to open the search window and type CMD. You're gonna run this as an administrator. You're gonna hit yes, and you're gonna type SFC system file check space / and then scan now. All right, and it's basically going to start checking the operating system files to see if there's any corruption in the system. Once it finishes, if it finds errors in the file system, it's going to try to fix it while the operating system is running. All right. If it's not able to do it, it's going to ask you, do you want to do it on the next boot up? And then you hit yes, you select Y, and then hit enter. But most of the times it fixes it without having to restart. But just look at the end. I don't think this one will throw any errors, but if you look at the end, it's going to tell you I did not find any any issues with the with the operating system files, or it's going to say I found some corruption, but I was not able to fix it. Do you want to fix it on the next restart? And then you select Y and then enter, and that's it. That's how you check the operating system files for errors. Another way you could do it, you go to this PC, highlight the C drive, right click, go to properties, go to tools, and then you hit check. This is, you do it through the GUI, all right? It's going to run, and it's at the end it's going to say I found or did not find any errors. All right, this is going to go quick, so I just want you to see the end. All right, Windows successfully scanned the drive and no errors were found, so you're good to go there. All right, so it's something else. If you're having issues, then that'll be something else you want to look at. But this is one of the first tools you want to run to see if you're having issues with the computer, okay? Because sometimes the operating system, after a while, it gets corrupted, and you need to do that. All right, thank you so much. If you like the tutorial, please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you.